So you've listed a property for rent on Rent Turtle and you want to maximize your exposure. Let's say you want to use some social networking and promote your ad on your pages. Well, all you need to do is click on the My Account tab once you're logged into Rent Turtle. And this is going to take you to a page. It's going to look something like this right here. All you've got to do is click on My Active Listings on the left-hand side of the screen. And then click on the ad that you want to promote. So I'm going to promote this fictitious ad right here. I'm going to click on Manage this ad and then click on the little button that says Share right there. Now, there's a few things you can do once you get to this page right here. You can click the Facebook button and then like the ad. You can tweet it. If you're on MySpace, you can do whatever it is you do with a MySpace page. You can put it on Reddit, LinkedIn, and of course Craigslist. Now, Craigslist is a little bit geeky here. If you've never done HTML coding, this might be a little bit difficult to follow, but hang in there, we'll get through it. If you want to promote it on Craigslist, you just click the Craigslist button, and I'm going to show you what our ad's going to look like, and I'm going to explain to you what our ad's going to do. Click on the preview button, and your ad is going to look something like this. Your property's basic information is going to be at the top, price, and then whatever the description is that you put in. It's going to be formatted fairly well with bold description at the top and then a slightly smaller font, non-bold below that. Now, what I'm going to make this ad do is I'm going to make it to where if anyone goes to Craigslist and they see your ad with these big bright pictures of your rental property, all they're going to need to do to go to your Rent Turtle page and then go through the pre-qualification process is all they're going to need to do is just click on any one of those images. Now, to do that, we're going to have to edit the HTML code just a little bit. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Get Craigslist HTML code. Now, if you copy and paste the code as is, your ad's going to come up exactly like that. But again, what I'm going to do is I want to make it to where if anyone clicks on the images, they're going to go to your page. So regardless of which way you want to do that, just copy the HTML code. If you just want it to show up as is, then all I've got to do is paste that, and that's going to be your code right there. It's going to show up just the way you saw the preview. If you want it to do the hyperlink to the page, then you're going to need to put in a little extra code. And that code is right here. You have a left bracket followed by the letter A space HREF equals parenthesis mark, and then another bracket. So that is it. That is all you need. Well, okay, let me back up here. That is not all you need. That's the beginning of what you're going to need. You're going to want to put that in front, that code in front of each one of the image codes. And those image codes are the bracket followed by IMG SRC equals, and then the image link. Now we're going to go back to Rent Turtle, and we can close that up since we already have the code. Go back to your account page, click on the My Account, and then click on My Active Listings. Find the address of the property you're wanting to promote. Click on that. And that should bring up, oh, nope, My Active Listings. By golly, I designed the program and I got lost on it. I apologize about that. All right, My Active Listings, and then click on the title of the ad you want to promote. Once you come to the correct page that you want people to bounce to, simply highlight the URL at the top, copy, and then we're going to go back to the Craigslist ad that we're working on, and then just click right between those two parentheses. So we've got left bracket A space HREF equals parenthesis, and then we're going to paste our code between the first and second parenthesis in the left bracket. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that down. Since I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images, I'm going to have to do that 5 times. So this is now what our code looks like, and I'm going to change up a little bit of this code right here. Click on any image below to go to pre. Put whatever you want in there. Just make some reference to what's going to happen when a person clicks on an image. Now I've already put in the rent number. Again, this is fictitious. I'm not going to actually post this on Craigslist, but I put in the cost for the rent, number of bedrooms, square footage, and posting title, location. I'm going to click continue. I'm not going to add any images because they've already been added on my template. So here is my fictitious ad. Title, big bold, price, the description. Click on any image below for pre-approval. And you see that my cursor is now, you can tell that it's pointing to a link every time I go over these images. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test one of these links, make sure it's all working. I'm going to just click on, well, you probably want to right click and open a new tab because this is going to take me away from Craigslist here. But there we go. It goes right to the page we want it to, so prospects will see your ad on Craigslist, and hopefully they will contact the landlord to get registered in, and then you'll get a pre-screened tenant prospect. So just as easy as that right there. And again, you can make your ads say whatever you want. Once you understand the HTML coding, you can really do a whole lot more, make your ads stand out a lot more. Now, if you were doing this, you would continue through and finish the ad just like you normally would, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to log out because I don't really want to publish that on Craigslist. So that's the super geeky HTML coding for Craigslist that you can do with Rent Turtle to help pre-screen your properties and help promote your properties with a little bit of social networking and HTML coding to make them pop out on Craigslist.